Hey, so what is up there, guys? It's Chris again, and welcome to my channel. This is a channel that we talk about things like credit card rewards, we talk about travel hacking, we talk about personal finance. Today's topic is credit cards. I've been talking about some credit cards that come with some pretty awesome bonuses, but today I'm going to talk about a card that doesn't give a bonus, but it may be one of the best as far as actually maximizing your rewards over the long time. It's a card that gives 2% cash back on everything as long as you do something with it. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to stay tuned. So today's card is the Fidelity Rewards Visa card, and it comes from Elan Financial Services. This card, as I said in the intro, gives 2% on everything. 2 points for every dollar you spend on everything. If that sounds like a great idea, it is. So in order to get this 2 points for every dollar and to get the card, you have to have a Fidelity investment account open. You don't have to have it open when you apply, but you have to open one when you apply if you don't already have one. And to earn the 2 points per dollar, you have to deposit every reward that you get into your Fidelity account. Now, what can you use a Fidelity account for? It's an investment account, and you can put it in for a brokerage account, a taxable brokerage account that you can deposit money into and sell your stocks and withdraw it at any time. You can also use it for a retirement account. We're talking an IRA or a rollover IRA. And if you're trying to save money for your child's college expenses, you can use Fidelity to open a 529 account and deposit your Fidelity Visa rewards into that account. These are options that you have available to you. Now, once you put it into a Fidelity account, what can you do with it? You can invest it. And that's where you can really get your money to pay off over the long term. So can you do other things with the card? Yeah, there are options for, using your rewards to get a statement credit. You can also use it to get travel rewards. However, you're not going to get the full 2% if you opt for that. You have to transfer your money in increments of $25 in order to transfer it and get any benefit. This includes to the Fidelity account, I believe, and that's one thing to keep in mind. So it's not going to be your best option as far as travel rewards if you're wanting to travel. It's also not going to be your best option if you want a cashback bonus. However, if you just want straight up cash back on every dollar you spend and you don't have to think about anything other than that, it might be a card that you want. There is no annual fee with the card, so you don't have to pay in order to keep it on a regular basis. You can keep it from year to year with no expense to you as long as you don't spend more than you would otherwise spend without using a credit card. So Dave Ramsey likes to say that you can't get rich off of credit cards. Well, with this one, I beg to differ. I'm going to go over to my computer and show you a calculator that the Fidelity Rewards Visa card has that will explain to you how you can actually build wealth over time with this credit card.
So here we are on the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card homepage. Note it says earn unlimited 2% cash back on every eligible net purchase with no annual fee. If we go down, we have this link here that talks about the cashback rewards, and if we click that, it will open up a calculator that will tell you how much you can get on an annual basis and also how much you will get in 20 years if you put your funds into the Fidelity account. Now, keep in mind, this is going to argue that you're getting a 7% return throughout the 20-year period, average of 7%. You may get 2% one year, minus 10% another year, 20% another, but averaging 7% return over a 20-year period.
So if you haven't done so already, I'd like to encourage you to destroy the like button. Also destroy the subscribe button and hit the bell to notify you when the next videos come online.
This is what it says here. You can calculate your potential rewards. 20-year hypothetical value of 2% cashback contribution. If you spend $1,000 a month, you're going to get $240 a year. You're also going to get $10,000 $729 at the end of the 20 years. If you double that to $2,000, and if you live in a household with a family, this is more likely you're going to get $480 annual cash back, $40 a month. That will grow to $21,458 as long as you get a 7% return. Keep in mind, if you can get a higher interest rate over the long haul, you can make more money over that period of time. And I'm going to show you here in a minute how that works. So if you look at it from here, if you're putting the same $40 a month in, this is an MSN tool that allows you to get your current savings and then add to it on a monthly basis. If you put the $40 a month from the 2% cash back on $2,000 a month, you will get in 20 years $29,806 if you can get a 10% annual return. And a 10% annual return is actually a lot closer to the average return over the long term in the stock market. Keep in mind, you don't have to stop at 20 years, and keep in mind also that this is a $40 monthly investment. This is not putting anything additional into any investment accounts. If you can put more money towards your investments, you'll get even more. But let's look at it. It really starts to get interesting if we get up to like 40 years. Say you're 21 years old right now and you want to save for 40 years the same amount of money, $40 a month over 40 years, 10% annual interest rate. You've got nearly $250,000 just from using a credit card. That's pretty cool.
So if you're wanting to get more money, I would encourage you to get this card and put everyday spending on it. If you want to get some bonuses and cycle through those, I would get those, work on them, and then once you get the bonuses from other cards like Chase, American Express, Citi, and the like, once you get those bonuses posted to your account, you can then take it out as a statement credit and then roll over some cash that you have not spent over into your Fidelity account if you want to do it that way. If you want to travel, again, this is not the card for you. You're not going to get travel rewards that are going to be as beneficial as something from, say, a Capital One card that gives you 2% cash back on everything. That Capital One card also comes with a pretty impressive bonus as well. I do want to point out, if you start to invest, you can start to see your money grow. Dave Ramsey says you can't get rich with a credit card. You might be able to with the Fidelity Rewards card. If you want to invest, this is the card to get. So there you have it, the Fidelity Rewards Visa card. Maybe this helps you understand whether it's a card for you. Hopefully you found the video informative. If so, please again, subscribe, hit the like button. Until next time, this has been Chris Hack's Life.